Hi guys. So I'm going to tell you a little story and teach you the differences between grouping, attach, and weld. So you know when you need to do what. So first we're going to just do some text here. Bridesman. I need to do my son a bridesman shirt because my daughter's getting married, yay! And she's asked him to be her bridesman. So you see this font, these letters are not attached. This is not how you write a word. You attach your words, your letters. So we're going to have to do that manually. There's a couple of ways of doing this. The first way is to ungroup it. No, let's go back. I'm doing voiceover, so please bear with me. Okay, so let's select it all again. Line it up with one of the lines, one of the big lines, and make sure to bring it right in so it's easy to see. See how I have the bottom here lined up with one of the big lines? Just makes it easier so that if I move a letter too far up and down, I can do it. So now we're going to ungroup. Make sure you bring it in nice so you can see it, either really close or however. No, I guess we're not doing that again. Now we're selecting everything. And I'm going to show you the quickest way of doing it. Haha, it's about time. Line spacing. First, click your line spacing arrow down until your letters either touch, a couple of them do, or whatever. So I'm going to bring that right in until they all touch, squish, squash, and there they go. I wonder if I notice that that S is too far. We'll see if I notice it. We're going to ungroup. Now what am I going to do? I'm selecting the man and grouping them, or the end part and grouping it. So it all can move in one shot. There, I'm pretty smart. Wow, instead of moving them individually. That's smart of me. And there, I just moved the S just a little bit over, which looks so much better. Now what am I going to do? I know what I need to do, but we'll find out what I show you. Oh, I'm going up here to show you what happens if you make it. See, it just sort of undoes everything we just did and jumbles up the letters into a different order. And that is not what we want, not in the least. So to prevent that, what we need to do, I'm just going to ungroup it all. So everything's ungrouped. What you need to do is get it so it's going to cut just like this. I must have been half asleep when I videoed this. So go up to the top and select absolute everything since we only have the one word. Go down here and weld it. You need to weld it because even if we put it so that it's going to cut like side by side, if you don't weld it, it's going to cut each letter out individually. Once you weld something, it cuts it out as one. It doesn't become all these separate little pieces. It becomes one file. And that's what I'm showing you now, or explaining to you now. Because if we had just grouped this, it would have cut it exactly like this, but it would have cut out the N completely, the A completely, so you could remove it. See? One big unit. Just like that. So that is what welding does. It takes, just think of a welder. He's taken two parts and melting them together to make them into one. So I'm going to now just put this back, unweld it. Also, when it comes to weld, if you save it, you won't be able to unweld it. So make sure it's right. So now we're going to select everything and just attach. Now what it's going to do is it is going to cut your word out side by side. But like I said, it's going to cut each letter out separately. Well, I do hope that this explanation of grouping, welding, and attaching has helped. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I will answer. I always do check them out. I also appreciate everybody's support. Thank you so very, very much. And I guess I will talk to you later, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share my channel with your friends, please, with Facebook, and tweet about it, please. I'd really appreciate that. But like all my videos, and happy crafting. We'll see you later, guys.